Are you planning on giving a computer away, maybe a laptop or a desktop computer, giving it to a family member or throwing it away or selling it? Any of these situations would definitely be a good reason to watch the rest of this video. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset or wipe a computer completely clean so that you can do any of the things that we talked about. Okay, there's two different ways to do it. I'm going to show you the very quick way in the video, and then I'm going to talk about a different way that maybe I'll show in a future video. But if you're having trouble with this, if you really want to make sure it's done right and you want a professional to help you out, always remember you can drop down below, hit that like and subscribe before you grab the number, but the phone number is down there below at the beginning into the video. Give us a call, we'll help you out. We can do this whole process for you. We do it all the time for clients who ask us to, if that's what they want to do. So it's nothing new or surprising to us. Okay, so call us if you need help. But for the most part, the quick and easy way is going to work for most people, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, step one, this is a big one and it's very important, and that's going to be to back up your data. Okay, don't forget to back up your data. If there are things on the computer that you need and you have not backed it up yet, do that first. That should be your step one. Okay, that could be a cloud backup, that could be a local external backup. You're trying to grab all of your user data, any of the data that's on the C drive or other drives that are going to be wiped in this process. You want to grab all of that data. And of course, browser data. If you're using like a guest profile, make sure you get that browser data too. You might want to export it directly out of your browser. Now, I have a lot of videos on the channel dedicated to backup and how to do backup. That's a big thing here at My Computer Works. We do backup for our members all the time, and it is something that we talk about a lot because it's very important. Okay, so if you need help with backup, again, give us a call. But at the end of the day, this is step one and should be your starting point for resetting the computer. Back up your data first. Okay, now that our data is safe and backed up, whether it be on an external drive or in the cloud, we can move to step two, which is basically the rest of it. It's very simple from here. We need to get to our settings on the computer, so we could do Windows key and I, and that'll open settings, or we could right click on our start menu and choose settings from there. Once we're inside of our settings, we have two options. We could use the search bar at the top and just type in reset this PC. It comes up as an option. You can click on it. Or if you want to go the roundabout way or the long way, you can go into update and security. We can go to recovery, and then we can go to reset this PC. On Windows 10, it looks like this. It'll say get started. And on Windows 11, it looks like this. It'll say reset this PC. We'll choose reset this PC. And then this is where things start to get important, to really pay attention to what you're doing. Okay, so you really got to hone in on these choices here. It's going to ask you if you want to keep your files or if you want to wipe the drive. Okay, now if you are getting rid of the computer, you are selling it, you are giving it away, you're going to want to wipe the drive completely clean, which you can see I'm walking through. There's options here to completely wipe the drive. Okay, now for the most part, you're going to want to do a local reinstall of the Windows operating system once this is done. If you have work provisioning packages, it'll show up in here. You'll want to wipe those as well. Basically, everything that you can off the drive needs to be wiped. Okay, so completely clean the drive. When you get to the end, you can even change the settings to confirm that you are completely cleaning the drive, like I'm showing here, and then you are going to be reinstalling Windows from the device. Okay, so a local reinstall of the operating system. This is called a factory reset or a reOS, reinstall of the operating system. Once you have all of the options selected that you want, you can continue with the reset. It'll go through this percentage. It'll go from 1 to 100%. It's a preparation phase. Once it's done, it'll let you know that it is ready to actually go through with the reset. You'll hit reset, and then it will go to a black screen like this, and it'll start the reset of the computer, taking it back to factory defaults, wiping all the data. So it'll be kind of like when you just got it out of the box. Okay, this is how you do it from inside of the operating system, inside the environment. Now, of course, with anything you do on a computer, you could run into issues. Even with this, it could tell you that there was an issue trying to reset. There's a lot of different things that can happen that will affect this procedure. So if this easy method, this is the easy method, easy way of doing it, it's fast, anyone can do it. You saw it was just a couple clicks, go in, get it done. Usually this works. Okay, now if this does not work, There are other methods like using a USB flash drive. You can completely wipe the system from your command prompt, which actually is a much cleaner method. I prefer to do that if people have a flash drive handy, they're willing to build the media, and then wipe the drive the right way and then reinstall Windows, especially if they're going to be selling it. Again, this should completely wipe the drive out, but I would have a hard time trusting this method if I was going to sell it. Most of the time, if I'm going to be getting rid of a computer, like throw it away, or give it away, or sell it, I will remove the drive and just put a new drive in, which is always the best method. Or if I'm going to keep the old drive in, again, I will do a slightly different method where you wipe the drive completely from the command prompt and then reinstall Windows fresh. It's essentially what this is supposed to do, but sometimes this can leave data behind. I've seen it happen. So be very careful with this method if you're going to be selling it. But if you're going to be giving it away to a very trusted family member or friend, you're probably going to be okay with this method. But again, if you're thinking about selling it or throwing the machine away, I highly recommend just removing your drive and destroying the solid state drive or hard drive that was inside your computer. And then you can put a new one in and sell it. Or again, at least doing the flash drive method, which again, if you have trouble with that, if you are like, what are you talking about, Tyler? I do plan on making a video to show that. I wanted to show the quick way first, but if you are having advanced issues, with this method and you don't know what to do, give us a call. We have other methods that we can try. Again, numbers down in the description. Hit that like and subscribe while you're down there. Comment if the video helped you accomplish what you were trying to do, if you wanted to wipe your machine. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.